About 10 seconds per man, I'll be ready.
I'm good.
What's our time like on the other ads here?
I think
like another hour.
We shouldn't aggro them anyway.
we will if the Fire Lord spawns, but...
Well, I guess they're kind of close to the edge, so...
Alright, heads up, kids.
Reckless mortals, none may challenge the sons of the living flame.
Oh my god, he has a gay voice.
Oh, he's immune to counterspell. Forgot that.
If you have a Curse of Doom on you, say something ASAP. I'm not sure if I got it up before magic.
I'll see it on raid minion.
Vidar's down. Somebody needs to
Yeah,
get
yep,
on his mob.
they're on it.
Oh, he
Which mob
fucking
do I
did
have?
magic reflect.
We have a healer up until
There's another one
Reflect is
up.
down.
Firstly down.
Minos, where are you?
I'm down.
I've got yours.
There's a
Yeah.
healer. Okay, it's sheep. It's sheep. It's all good.
This healer's... I can't sheep this one, I already sheeped one. Alright, we're good.
Rogue's chain stun for the win.
Healer out.
Okay.
Yep.
Skip
Healer on
Spoon,
caster.
okay.
Healer
got
sheeped. Going after
Zig
it
not
next.
doing
Zig
okay.
low. Zig really low.
Keep Zig up.
He's at half. Okay, he's good. He's good. Jerome at half.
Getting on the healer that's next to the casters. Next.
I'm just perma-shaping him, so... And the reflect... What? Wow.
Reflect.
That's still recharging.
Yeah. That's gay.
Mark
Good
is about
timing.
to die with full mana.
Yeah, very good timing.
Fuck.
Nope, I got him, I got him. I shielded
Okay,
him.
there's a healer on me. If somebody can sheep this.
Bring it to
I can.
me, dude.
Where is he?
Alright, somebody got it
I
off.
got him.
Somebody got it off.
I got him. Where was it?
Thanks for that heal, Lyra.
Yep. You got lucky, I had gotten thrown into the
Stay
fire.
alive, kids.
Yeah, no one die.
Shit.
This mob doesn't have magic reflect, it's got something else.
What does shit mean?
I'm about to
It
die.
means he's dead.
dead.
Who?
He's dead. He's
Who?
dead.
Sit down.
We have another healer up. Hang on. Fuck, healer. Shit.
Oh, that
It's
sucked.
still alive on my screen.
Markin, you're down. Who were you on?
Markin is down. Healer got him.
I was on
I really
Astron.
can't sheep both.
But sheep just... or the healer
If off tanks are up, I'm getting another
What's
healer.
Yeah, all off
Off
tanks
tanks
are up.
doing okay.
They're up.
Gotta run way the fuck away to get this healer, so...
We're coming, we're coming.
Okay, there's a healer right. Yep, that one.
We got it.
That's still recharging.
Okay, I died because a Flamewalker healer got aggro on me.
No, I watched.
Dingler
We
is
saw.
out of mana, and Baird is low.
Rustak's okay. Don't
So,
worry.
Cop needs a little bit of heal.
How are off
Russ, you
tank
want
healers looking?
Live, one
Low
innovate.
mana, low mana.
Yes, please.
Astron.
You got
Cops
it.
healers
Cop's doing
need
better
help.
than you are, Zig.
Thank you.
Want a combat res a Markin or someone?
My healer is
Yeah, do
15.
Do it in.
Where's the other healer? Where's the last healer?
He's over here.
On it, on it.
Back wall.
Astron down.
Astron just died.
Okay,
Fucking
Zig
healer.
is
He's
very
running.
super
Soul,
low.
Zig
Ugh,
low.
he
Get
ran
that.
across the whole map.
I'm getting aggro from
Get it,
some other
Soul.
mob.
You fucking piece
Yeah,
of
that
shit,
was
hold
Zool.
still.
I'm getting Astron
Fuck,
up right
Zool
now.
down.
Don't run
Someone
him.
needs to get that healer. Someone needs to get that healer. Zul's
He's
down.
immune.
We got him.
I'm on the last healer.
Oh, immunity. Never mind.
He's the last one.
I died. Carino down.
Astron low.
Sill's down.
Sill is down.
Does Sill
Can
have Sill
combat
stone?
res?
Yeah, Sill's back up. Sill, drink.
He's drinking.
Okay, he's got it.
good,
He's
good.
drinking.
Astron is back up.
Okay,
He
need
cannot
help.
die.
Need help on Coppola. No,
Last
never mind, he's
healer,
good.
40%.
I'm getting cop.
That Flame Walker
30%
elite
help on
is almost
Zig
down.
Getting on
Two.
Cop's mob next. It's closest.
That other one's way closer
If
to
anyone
death,
that's
though.
out of
Zig
combat
really
can tell
low.
us
Someone's
that'd be wonderful.
I don't care. I'm
Here, Astron, I just got ported to the center.
Side down.
Astron down again.
Astron's down. Gotta
Yeah,
get
I
on
got ported to
Astron's.
the center thing, got out of range.
All priest mobs are dead. Working on the second elite. Yeah. You're kidding, it's that low?
We'll get it next.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Keep Curse of Dooms on it then, I'll
Oh, I
keep
got
on this
aggro.
elite.
I got aggro.
Healing roll.
My elite is at 50.
Sill is at full mana and he's got Zig.
I lost.
Lucifron's kind of running around, so
Yeah.
be careful.
No.
Majordomo.
Lucifron.
He's on me. He's on me. He's
Or
on
whatever,
me.
the big
Stay
knockout.
up.
All right, I've got reincarnate.
Okay.
Elite's at
I'm gonna die from Domo in a second, probably.
He's on Liana.
My
I
elite is
just have
almost
some
dead.
still got combat
Elite's
res.
at 5.
Fuck.
Leanna down.
I just had
My healer's
aggro.
down.
Liana. All right, I'm coming.
I'm
Roll,
drinking.
coming.
Elite dead.
Kill,
Okay.
I'm drinking.
Kill Rawls.
Yeah, we're on it, we're on it.
Still get away from Domo. We got Domo.
I'm drinking out.
On the third elite. Third elite is
It's
at
dead.
4.
It's dead now.
Nice.
One more. Keep
One
strong.
more elite.
Stay on your game, kids.
We may.
Did that one just heal himself?
Nope.
Doesn't matter.
I'm
Stay on it.
Vidar.
Okay, Astron's back up.
I'm healing Jerome. Zig, do you need heals or are you good?
I'm good.
Nope, Zig's fine.
How do we want to do melee on Domo? Do we just want range?
flip-
Do we want rogues in?
Flip, go suicide. I can combat res. You think you can drink up?
No.
One more
I
time,
wouldn't
Zig.
bother.
We'll melee Domo.
it. We'll melee Domo? Okay, gotcha. Last ad is at 40.
35.
This fight's not over yet, people.
Move JT, move JT.
It's at 15.
Yeah, I got a couple minutes and innovate.
I'm
Ad
not
is at
present
10.
anyone I see.
9%.
This one's
He's
dead.
dead.
Oh yes.
All right,
On
get him
Domo.
going.
This fight is not
Oh,
over.
hold on, Zig lost
What?
Domo.
Okay, wait,
He turned green.
wait.
He's green.
He's green.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
wow.
Did
We
we
owned
kill
it.
him?
Fuck!
Did we kill
Holy
him?
fuck!
You got
Oh my
it. Good
fucking
job.
god, we did it!
Red
We
Rose.
did
Red
it!
Rose.
Holy
Nice.
shit!
That's all you have to do?
Oh fuck yeah, dude! Holy
Yes! Oh my
Res
god!
Carino. If you res Carino, I'll love you forever.
Rezul.
Yeah,
Good game.
What's up?
Where are you, Carino? Where did you die?
I'm by the heater thing in the middle.
I got him.
I'm by Girdle Touch right now. Oh my god, I can't believe we just did it. Wait, yes I can, we're awesome.
Yeah, it
You
took
just
Tyranny.
have to
They
kill
were
the
zerging
ads.
this for like 3 days.
Yeah, no shit. How did it even
Oh
kill
my
them?
god, yeah. Mad
No, they haven't
screenshots
killed
of
him.
that shit. Mad screenshots.
If you're not supposed to
Cyphex,
kill
where are
him.
you?
By like the middle, I think.
Dude, that is
Right.
so fucking cool. The whole fight is the 8 ads.
Leon
How
got
come
me.
no one told us this?
Well,
That's
no,
like,
you know,
alright,
one
what are we gonna do
time
for Domo? What are we gonna do for Domo? And fuck.
I was in the priest channel and I asked, you know, is it possible to just off tank the ads? And they're like, well, you're not going to beat the fight unless you kill the ads. And I'm like, all right, fair enough.
Oh my god, we've got... Oh, news post tonight, kids. News post.
Great news post.
The news post.
Are we
is
gonna go
after.
look at Ragnaros, or?
We have
Kyle,
to.
your
Yeah.
thing's
Yeah,
really
we
low.
need
We have to go look at him.
And we can
It's a
actually
long
try him.
time
You
We
to
know?
can fight him once. Just see what he does.
We should see what he does.
Well, here's the thing. I don't know if
We've
we
got
should
enough
make
people.
a post. I mean, we shouldn't.
Oh, we
shouldn't
totally
tell
We
should.
can
people
just
that-
say we beat him. We don't need to
Yeah,
say like anything else.
Dude, no. I'm putting Ragnaros on the front page of Ropetown.com.
Yeah.